Hi there, welcome back to another episode of Steve's Tech Vlog. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and initial review of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This of course has not yet been released into the market. This is a pre-order unit. I just collected it today, a few hours ago, as part of the Samsung pre-order campaign for the S9 and S9 Plus. So for the pre-order, what freebies did Samsung give with the pre-order? This time round there wasn't any special discount on the phone. However, the phone basically came with a free gift. So Samsung has thrown in a Harman Kardon Onyx Mini Bluetooth speakerphone headset, and this unit is actually worth market retail price about just over $150 US. Of course, you can probably get it about $100 US online. So let's leave this aside and let's have a look at the phone. So let's have a look at the box. Very nice, high quality box. It says S9 Plus, and there's a shiny metallic blue logo over here. This is the 64 GB version, and I've got the midnight black version. So a quick look at what is written on the box. Basically that's the size, and this is a dual SIM version. It's got 12 megapixel multiple aperture camera with OIS. It's got an 8 megapixel selfie camera. It's for the first time in a Samsung phone, a stereo speaker. It still has IP68 water and dust resistant. It's got an iris scanner, and the basic model for the S9 Plus now comes with a 64 GB worth of internal storage, as well as 6 GB of RAM. Still comes with wireless charging, and apparently there are earphones tuned by AKG that's in the box. So the unit that I got is a Southeast Asian SIM only model. Basically what it means is like when you unbox this and use it for the first time, we have to use it with a Southeast Asian SIM for at least like 10 minutes, or make a local call for at least 10 minutes, and once the phone gets registered, then we can use it with any other SIM around the world. So let's basically unbox this. So I'm going to slide out the box from the sleeve. So this is basically just a paper sleeve. Okay, I'll just put it aside here. Very nice, high quality box. Do not accept if seal is broken. So this was opened just now by the assistant. Right, so let's have a look. So I'm just going to leave this aside. So a small little envelope which has the SIM ejector pin, and I suppose there are, alright, so let's have a look. So it comes with a fairly high quality silicone cover. This comes from Samsung, so this is actually good that you can actually start protecting your phone straight away. Some basic instructions, quick start guide. Okay, right, so I'm going to leave this aside. And so this is the phone. It's no easier of taking it out. Oh, there is a sleeve. Okay, there we go. So this is the S9 Plus. Comes with dual camera, brand new fingerprint sensor at the bottom of the camera, much better. And apparently this new heart rate sensor actually is able to measure blood pressure as well. No idea, we'll have a look at it. So let's put the phone aside first, and then let's see what else is in the box. This is the tray that holds the phone. Right, so a lot more goodies this time around. So we have a USB-C charge cable. Okay, we have the apparently costing over $100 AKG headphones, and this is in a 3.5mm jack. So thank you Samsung for keeping the headphone jack. Earbuds, This is a USB-C to micro USB adapter. So this will be useful for the old charging cables and so on. Just gonna put it back in here. This is a USB-C OTG adapter, so you can connect to flash drives and such, or USB devices, keyboards or mouse with this. Lift this back. So there is a adaptive fast charging adapter from Samsung. This is going to be useful for fast charging. Leave it back. So basically that's all that's in the box. I'm just going to put this back in and then we'll have a look at the phone. Alright. Okay, let me leave this aside. Let's have a look at the phone then. Okay, just move this aside so it's not going to be in the frame. Alright, so it says infinity display, so this isn't very different from the S8 Plus. It's got dual camera, which is very equivalent or very similar to the Galaxy Note 8. And this is new. The main camera actually has dual aperture, which physically changes the aperture between f1.5 for low light to f2.4 for bright light. Let's see how this performs. I'm not sure. Super Somo. Apparently this camera allows us to record up to a short burst of 960 frames per second in 720p. And first in a Samsung phone, stereo speakers. I want to try this thing out. Okay, nothing else much, so plastic off. Midnight black, very sleek looking, doesn't it? Alright. Just move this aside. Alright, so looks like a big black candy bar. Okay, there's more plastic down there, I believe, so probably gotta take this thing out. Alright, so 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom, USB-C connector, microphone. This is probably the bottom firing speaker. Okay, this is the front. We've got the single 8 megapixel camera on top with the earpiece. There is a power button on the right hand side. There's still plastic cover which I have to take out later. On the left hand side we've got the volume rocker as well as the function button for Bixby. I'm not sure if we can remap this. On the top there's the SIM tray with dual SIM and memory card support, as well as another microphone. Wonder if there's a microphone behind. Nope, there are only two microphones here. Alright, so let's power it on. So X9 Plus, and I believe it comes with Android 8.0 Oreo. Google has released the 8.1, so I'm not sure when this phone will actually get the 8.1 update, hopefully soon. So let's just have a quick look of what is in the box. Okay, let's just go to settings. So what apps comes with, let's see how does this, okay, there we go, that's Oreo. So we've got a bunch of pre-installed Samsung apps, smart things. This is to control basically smart devices from Samsung, voice recorder, email, not using this, file manager, browser, Samsung Health, so this is pre-installed, Samsung apps, this would be the app store for Samsung, I'm not sure if I'll use that. Samsung Gear, this is probably to connect to the smartwatch of Samsung, not sure what this is, Samsung members. Comes with a small bunch of Google apps, Drive, Play Movies, Dio. I have not understand why they have not installed Allo on this. Photos. Oh no, it comes with Microsoft apps as well. I don't know how much of space this will take in, and if I can disable this. Don't use that. Google Play Store, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Search, Chrome browser, Gmail, Samsung Pay, Facebook, phone dialer, message, camera, gallery, clock, contacts, settings, calendar. Probably replace this with Google Calendar, calculator, play music, Samsung Notes, I'm not sure if this is a different app than the one on the Note 8, but let's see. And secure folder, I think this is where you can encrypt a folder and store files inside. So those are the only apps that comes with it. And okay, so there's a Bixby screen on the right hand side. I think I can disable that. I believe, yeah, so with Audio 8.0 there is also the long press menu. Okay, so we'll try that out later. So how much of space comes with a brand new Samsung phone? This is a 64 GB on board. And let's see if I can say general management. No, not here. Device maintenance. So let's have a look at this. So out of the 64 GB, I don't know if you can see clearly, there is a 50.3 GB free. So basically the OS files and the pre-installed apps has taken up about like 13 to 14 GB worth of space. And there's a 6 GB memory, so 2.9 GB is free. I'm not sure what is taking up so much of memory. I'm going to have a look at it. Yeah, so let's see if I can optimize now. Okay, so my memory is 3.1 GB free. Did nothing much. Okay, so this is a very quick look, an unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I'll follow up with more videos shortly after.